Praise Lord, everyone. Today's my topic is about the humbling yourself before God. It is really important that you humble before God. You never know at what point, at what certain point you may face something or have something, or there might be some hidden agenda that you are unaware and unsure of. But humbling yourself, not putting your ego, not putting your whatever the ego frustration on God, instead of putting all the blame on him, try to understand him, give him some time, try to put patience, try to make yourself believe that yeah, it is gonna happen, or it might gonna happen at some certain point or certain time. So going against God doesn't make it happen what you are looking for. So it is really not needed to put all your frustration on God instead of putting on Him. Try to humble yourself so that you will be in good terms with God, and He will be guiding you. He will be helping you in each and every step. Thank you. And also reading Bible, understanding the verses, giving some time to God, making a space for Him is really important, so that things looks like easier. So yeah, so is make sure you are in prayers, make sure you follow every step, follow every command he tells you, or whatever the reason might be, so that you will be in a state of mind that yeah, let's wait for some time, let's wait for God to answer what's the answer you are looking for. He will answer, but you have to listen to God. By not depending on others, you and God have should have a connection. That third person shouldn't be involved, or you are, and even you shouldn't be dependent on other in order to know what God wanted, or what God's plan is. So make sure you and God have a straight connection, so that you will not be feeling frustrated and making he will make things happen, but you have to listen to him.